Virtually every dog owner feeds their pets tasty treats to supplement their diet, reward them for a job well done, or to provide them with a snack between meals. Even if a dog is fed just one treat a day, they will add up over time. Selecting the best dog treats that are healthy and nutritious is important because they are a part of providing your canine with a well-balanced diet. Before we get started on breaking down the best dog treats on the market, we've included links in the description to various pricing options for the treats, so make sure you check those out. Starting us off with our number one pick, we have Rocco and Roxy's Jerky Treats. Many pet parents have been leery about feeding their dog jerky treats in recent months because of all the recalls and problems with treats that are made and sourced in China. Unfortunately, jerky treats are usually a favorite of most dogs. They love the smell, texture, and taste of jerky treats because they are so similar to the meat that dogs naturally crave. One of my own dogs is very particular about the dog treats that she eats, and she will not eat biscuit treats at all. Typically, when given a new brand of treat, she'll immediately drop it on the floor to sniff and inspect it before she decides whether she wants to eat it or not. Our picky eater loved these treats for dogs, and to be honest, I thought about trying one myself. The first thing you'll notice when opening a bag of Rocco and Roxy jerky treats is their smell. If you're a fan of beef jerky, you may consider eating one too. The bag does specifically state that the treats are not for human consumption, which is what kept me from trying one. They smell exactly like human-quality beef jerky. It's a very rich aroma of beef, and you can detect a hint of spices too. High-quality, all-American beef is the first ingredient in these best dog treats, and you can smell the natural, smoky flavor. The treats are made in small batches and are slow-smoked for 15 hours. This gives them a great, soft texture that you can feel as soon as you pull one out of the bag. Unlike other jerky treats that are rubbery and obviously not made with real meat, these treats from Rocco and Roxy are so tender that you can easily rip them into smaller pieces with your fingers. I usually put 2 7-inch strips in my pocket when training our puppy and rip small bits off each time I need to reward her. An added bonus is that these best dog treats don't have a funky smell like other jerky treats for dogs. My pockets don't carry that disgusting odor after a training session, and my hands don't smell gross either. These jerky treats are also wheat, corn, and soy free, and the company doesn't use any gluten fillers either. The ingredients include beef, rice, protein, spices, salt, sugar, garlic powder, and sodium nitrate. I had questions about the sodium nitrate, but after further research, I found that it is a naturally occurring mineral that is used to prevent any possibility of foodborne illness or botulism in meat. I'm also aware that the opinion on feeding garlic to dogs is split. First of all, garlic only makes up 1% of these treats. Second of all, according to Andrea Parti, author and natural healthcare coach for dogs, the primary reason AVMA is against feeding garlic is that it contains thiosulfate, which can cause hemolytic anemia, liver damage, and death. However, garlic only contains very small traces of thiosulfate, and a dog would have to consume a huge quantity to suffer any negative effects. Using Tylenol or benzocaine topical ointments to stop itching are far more likely to cause anemia in dogs. Each 7-inch treat contains 25 calories, which is a lot for one treat, but as I mentioned, they can be easily ripped into smaller pieces. If you rip each treat into 5 sections, each piece would only have 5 calories. This cuts down on your pet's calorie intake and also makes one 16-ounce bag of treats last a long time. We've had ours for about 5 weeks, and I use them almost daily. We still have about 8 ounces of treats left. Rocco and Roxy jerky treats are a little more expensive than other best dog treats on the market. If they don't fit into your budget, there are other treats that you can use which are also excellent choices for your dog's health and well-being. Like people, every dog has their own taste preferences, so you may need to try 2 or 3 of these best treats for dogs before you find one that your Fido enjoys. It's also a good idea to have more than one type of treat on hand. Dogs don't always like eating the same things over and over again. Giving your dog a little variety will add some additional flavors to his diet and increase his overall quality of life. Not to mention, different treats offer different benefits. Mixing and matching treats for pets will allow your dog to have all the different benefits each treat offers incorporated into his diet. If dental hygiene is a concern for your pet, Greenies dental dog treats can be used to help clean his teeth in between regular vet visits. These pet treats come in 5 different sizes depending on your dog's weight. They also come in a special blend for weight management, and they are offered in a grain-free variety as well. You can also choose from fresh mint or blueberry flavors. Dental hygiene is extremely important for your pet's overall health and well-being. Certain health problems can lead to dental issues, and dental issues can lead to many other more serious health problems if they aren't taken care of properly. The best thing you can do is take your dog for regular cleanings and dental exams at your veterinarian's office. Dry kibble, raw bones, and many types of dog toys can help clean your pet's teeth in between visits, and brushing your pet's teeth regularly will help too. Greenies dental chews are one of the best dog treats for keeping your pet's mouth healthy. They are available in many veterinary offices, and they are commonly recommended by vets as a great and easy way to care for your dog's teeth. Although they feel strange and don't seem like something that your dog should be ingesting, these treats are actually made from soluble, natural ingredients that break down quickly for easy digestion. These treats for dogs are also low in fat and nutritionally complete for adult dogs. Puppies under 6 months old should not be given Greenies, even if they are within the weight guidelines. I would be sure to check with my veterinarian before feeding these treats to any dog less than 1 year of age, just to be safe. They are designed for daily treating, and if they aren't given as directed, the benefits are not guaranteed. If you've ever tried to brush your dog's teeth, it probably hasn't gone very well, at least not for the first few tries. Although these aren't a substitute for brushing, Greenies use your dog's natural chewing action to wipe tartar buildup and plaque off the surface of his teeth. They even have the Veterinary Oral Health Council seal of acceptance for plaque and tartar control. This is something you should always look for on treat packages that claim to be good for canine dental health. One thing to note about these treats is that they have an estimated 95 calories in each one. That's a lot. Since your dog needs to chew the entire treat and should have one each day to reap the benefits that they offer, you'll need to adjust his diet accordingly to compensate for the extra calories he's ingesting every day. Greenies are also available in almost every pet store, so they are much easier to find than the Rocco and Roxy Jerky treats. Next up, we have one of the most popular and best dog treats, which are Zooks Mini Naturals. They are probably most commonly used as training treats because of their very small size. They are similar in size to a pencil eraser. Because of their small size, they contain less than 3.5 calories per treat, which also makes them a great choice for dogs on a weight management diet. This is another product that is made in the United States, and they have no wheat, corn, or soy fillers. These are a great treat to have on hand as an alternative to Rocco and Roxy Jerky treats. Zooks Mini Naturals offer a flavor variety as they are made with your choice of chicken, duck, pork, rabbit, salmon, or peanut butter as the #1 ingredient, and they are also full of whole food antioxidants. Whole foods are foods that have not been processed in any way, like fruits and vegetables. Not only are they an important addition that should be incorporated into your pet's diet, but antioxidants can benefit your dog's overall health and well-being in many ways. If you've never researched antioxidants and how they can benefit animals of all species, do yourself a favor and take some time to read about them. Antioxidants reduce the cellular damage done by free radicals and can help animals suffering from skin problems, cardiovascular or respiratory diseases, immune disorders, failing vision, cataracts, and many general problems associated with aging. Each blend of Zooks Mini Naturals is made with nutrient-rich rosemary, cherries, and turmeric, and an overwhelming majority of pet owners who use these treats rave about their palatability. If you use treat dispensing toys for your dog, these treats are perfect. Their small size and low calorie count make them ideal for use with these types of toys. You could even cut them in half to make your dog feel like he's getting more, while keeping his calorie intake the same. As more information is released about the dangerous additives in pet foods and treats, more and more pet owners are understandably looking for natural products and natural dog treats. Wellness WellBites are a great choice and are certainly one of the best dog treats on the commercial market. They are soft and chewy, which is very appealing to dogs of any age or size, but also specifically to senior dogs or dogs with oral health issues. I love that these dog treats are made with real fruits and veggies that you can actually see in each treat. You can see real chunks of carrots, sweet potatoes, blueberries, apples, and other fruits and vegetables in each little square treat. Wellness WellBites only have all-natural preservatives and do not include any wheat, corn, soy, or artificial flavors or colors. No wonder they are rated as one of the best dog treats on the market. When you feel how malleable and soft these best dog treats are, you'll be impressed. They don't snap or crumble. You can easily tear these moist treats into pieces if you want to split them in half. It was difficult to find any negative consumer remarks about these treats. Dogs seem to love them, and pet parents are impressed with the healthy, natural, whole food ingredients used to make them. Another alternative that is great for all-around health is Natural Balance L.I.T limited ingredient dog treats. When they say limited ingredients, they mean it. The potato and duck formula is made with dried potatoes, duck, potato protein, cane molasses, canola oil, natural flavor, natural mixed tocopherols, natural hickory smoke flavor, citric acid, and rosemary extract. Every formula of these best dog treats contains a single-source animal protein and limited carbohydrate sources. Natural Balance L.I.T limited ingredient dog treats are actually developed by a team of veterinarians and animal nutritionists to be beneficial to dogs of all ages, from puppies through adults. These treats contain 30 calories each, which certainly isn't terrible, but you shouldn't be giving your dog multiple treats each day. Natural Balance L.I.T limited ingredient dog treats are grain-free, so they'd be a great choice for dogs suffering from allergies or digestion sensitivities. If your dog prefers a crunchy treat, these are a great option, as all of the other top 5 best dog treats are soft and moist. The company does offer a satisfaction guarantee, so if you have a picky eater like we do, you won't be out of the money if your pet doesn't eat them. So that sums up our favorite dog treats. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.